guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today is a lovely morning. It is August 19th. It's the first day of school for me. I am going back to school for my second year of pharmacy school, so P2 year. Woohoo! Here we go. I'm actually not that excited because P2 year is notoriously the most difficult year for pharmacy students at my school in particular, at least. So I'm actually really nervous right now. I woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning for no reason, and this like always happens to me before school starts. I just get like really anxious and I can't sleep for like the whole first week, and then I crash and it sucks and blah blah, all that good stuff. But yeah, today I'm just gonna take you along with me on my journey to school and all the things that I have to do. I've already gone to the gym this morning. See me in my workout gear. I've already gone to the gym this morning. I signed up for Orange Theory and I'm going twice a week. I'm really excited to see where that goes. I just kind of want to incorporate working out into my daily routine so that I can just like get more endorphins going and kind of just feel better about everything, because this next year is really like a tear jerker and I just want to be in the right state of mind to tackle the next year. So with that being said, yeah, that's really gonna be what this vlog is about. I am going to apologize in advance for my phone, because right now I'm recording on my camera, but when I go to school, I'm not gonna bring my huge camera around school. I'm gonna try to vlog on my phone, and my phone has been having some really weird sound issues. And if you've seen my last 2 videos, and if you haven't, why haven't you? Because you should. They were real cute. I was trying to vlog and the sound was just like completely off, and I don't know, I think my niece has dropped my phone one too many times and it's just not recovering well. So I'm gonna have to take it into Verizon soon for them to figure out what's going on, and I'm gonna have to like ask for a new phone. Because I don't want to get like the new model yet until the new iPhone comes out. So I just want them to replace this broken one with a better one, you know? I can only ask for the small things in life. But yeah, that's really it. Let me stop rambling on, because y'all know I do that so hard. But before all of that happens and we really get our day going, why haven't you guys subscribed to my channel? Please click that button down below. You guys know you want to. This year I'm definitely trying to focus on a lot of school related things. So if you're in professional school and you want to know the tea, you want to know what's up, please click that subscribe button so you can get more, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, because I definitely talk about my daily life a lot more on both of those platforms. If you just want to keep up, have somebody to relate to, I'm your girl. Just go ahead and just follow me everywhere, you know? But yeah, let's get this day going and hopefully it's a good one. Hey guys, so I just made it to the parking where I'm gonna park and take the bus to school, because I have been trying my life for the past like 6 months parking on campus illegally, and I've only gotten a ticket once, but I don't want to do that this year. I'm trying to be a better person, you know? I did do a quick little makeup. I'm actually wearing my Fenty foundation today, and I got this one in the shade 420, because 400, while I thought it was good for me, it was a little off. So I think 420 is definitely a better match. I am, you know, just being minimal with my makeup, and I have this lipstick. I can't remember, but this is by ABH, and it's such a pretty, like, pinky nude, but it's, like, more nude than pink. Love that. I'm going to show you guys my first day of school outfit. I had to get all new stuff. My shirt is from Zara, and my jeans are from Hollister, and my shoes are from Target. So just for reference, if you're thinking about it later on, oh, that looks real cute, now you know where I got them from. I'm just waiting for my friend Christopher to get here so we can catch the bus together and head over to school. Ah! So freaking scary. Imagine. It's the first day, guys. How do you feel? Alright guys, we just had our first and only class of the day. I'm with Abster. Free lunch coming up. Now we're going to the stupid mandatory orientation thing we have. River and I were just like getting ahead and reading some stuff for class tomorrow. And I'm a TA for a class this semester for like P1s. So I have that class at 3, so I have like 30 more minutes until that starts. Sorry I haven't been filming like my classroom because I just think that that's like personal. Not personal for me, but like personal for the school, and like I don't want it to be weird where it becomes like a thing or like causes issues. So I just like don't want to film like inside of the classroom or like while the professor's talking. That's like really shitty. But so far, it's been a decent day. It's been kind of slow because we only technically have one class, and then the other class I have today, I'm a TA for. I'm not really in class. But definitely this gap that we have in between these two classes is a time that I would like to use to like I said, do reading, study, all that good stuff, because honestly time is so limited this semester. It's crazy. I literally have to show you guys my calendar. You will like die when you see how full and packed my calendar is between classes, extracurriculars, my internship, like trying to have my life, live, all that good stuff. It's pretty crazy, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We gotta get these coins and, you know, keep it moving. But yeah, I think I'll probably check in with you guys after this class, and you know, we will see how it all goes. Also, can we peep how really good my brows look? Damn, sis. But yeah, it's the end of the day. I just meal prepped, and now I'm about to shower and go back downstairs so that I can start reviewing my lectures for tomorrow. Trying to stay ahead of the game as much as I can while I can. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little all over the place, but you know, that's how things roll. Days can't be perfect, and that's what today was. It wasn't perfect, but it was good. We had a good time, and just kind of ready to hit it again tomorrow and see where it goes. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your first day of school was like. I would love to hear about it. And I'll see you guys in my next